Okay, Wednesday, September 14th, just going to follow up on NVDA here, showing you I'm going to essentially break even on this trade. Got short up here, bought some puts at the midway point, near the after the first move down, hoping we'd head a little lower. We started to head lower, and now we're getting kind of a two-up bar back to the close of yesterday, this whole area. So to me, it's kind of a break-even scenario. The price action after like an hour didn't really come down as much as you would have liked. So let's just watch it here. Again, still have a bias to the downside, but I'd have to wait for another kind of a signal at this point. Maybe we'll broaden out higher above here first and then head lower. Again, I just think in general, I've talked about the SPY this morning, how there was an opportunity to go short here. You can see here, same kind of thing. We're not really following through to the downside. I still think it's probably going to happen, to tell you the truth. It's just kind of grinding away. So maybe we'll just have a day today where it goes sideways most of the day, and the sell opportunities will come in. In the days ahead. It's just hard to say. So this is a tricky day in terms of just follow through. There were a couple of stocks right out of the gates that went a lot lower. There's actually some stocks that moved up. Like if I can go over a Tesla analysis, if you want to look at that, opening 15-minute bar above the pre-market highs. And if you look at the daily chart, you'll see how this was above the midpoint of yesterday as well, and heading higher. So you could have actually bought a stock like this. But anyway, the market itself is just kind of consolidating today. That's what I'm seeing. Tough day to trade. Unless you just really pick the perfect stock, but kind of a day where you could kind of break even a little bit if you took some shots, either early on the downside here with some stocks, or in this case try to secondary trade at the downside, and it's just kind of a break even trade at the moment. So let's just see. Kind of now, the only thing that could happen is you'd broaden out above here and get a big reversal bar. That might be another opportunity to go short this afternoon. But other than that, just a tricky day. Just wanted to point out, follow up here on NVIDIA, kind of breaking even, and we'll continue to watch the market.